Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, get ready to embark on a budget-friendly journey to elevate your living space. We're diving into the world of affordable home decor, proving that style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Whether you're a thrifty enthusiast or just looking to refresh your surroundings, stay tuned for some incredible finds that will transform your home for under $50. Let's make decorating on a budget an art form. I'm your host, and this is NZ Lifestyle. 1. Upgrade your home decor effortlessly with our budget-friendly curtain panels, a perfect blend of fashion and functionality for every window in your space, transforming any room into a chic and cozy haven. 2. Elevate your home ambience with our tabletop fountains, creating a serene oasis right on your table for a touch of relaxation in every room. 3. Transform your wall into a functional masterpiece with our floating wall organizer, offering both style and practicality for an organized and visually appealing home. 4. Illuminate your space with sophistication using our candle holders, exquisite designs crafted to complement any decor while creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. 5. Transform your living space into a green sanctuary with indoor plants, a stylish and vibrant addition that effortlessly merges nature with modern decor. 6. Add a touch of rustic charm to your space with wood-looking wall clock, a timeless statement piece that seamlessly blends classic design with modern functionality. 7. Create a captivating atmosphere in any room with our floor lanterns, a fusion of ambient lighting and sophisticated design that adds a touch of elegance to your space. 8. Elevate your home's entryway or interior with artificial wreaths, capturing the essence of nature's beauty all year round, minus the maintenance, for a welcoming touch. 9. Transform your space with our ceramic vases, where artistry meets functionality, creating a refined showcase for your favorite blooms or simply as standalone statement pieces. 10. Cherish your memories in style with picture frames, timeless accents that seamlessly blend nostalgia with contemporary design for a personalized touch. 11. Anchor your room in elegance with rugs, where fashion meets function, creating a cozy haven that effortlessly ties together your decor in a palette of comfort. 12. Elevate your room's aesthetic with floor lamps, where contemporary design meets practical lighting solutions, creating a focal point that brightens up any corner. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly decor adventure. Remember, transforming your space doesn't have to break the bank. If you enjoyed the tips and discoveries, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your space be as fabulous as you are. This is your name signing off from your channel name. Take care and stay inspired.